Hello everyone. Unfortunately, if you forget the passcode to your iPhone, there is no getting back in as it stands. Apple makes it very clear that your passcode is the only key iOS will accept to unlock the iPhone. The Apple wouldn't unlock your iPhone without it. Your iPhone is not a lost cause though. You can still get back in, but at a cost. If you forget the passcode to your iPhone, the only course of action is to restore the device back to factory setting. That means wiping all data on the iPhone, effectively making it feels like a brand new device. Many people rush to guess their passcode when they forget it. This is very risky, as with the iPhone it will be easily disabled. Most of the solutions of fixing recovery iPhone passcode end up erasing your data. iPhone Passcode Unlocker lets you unlock your forgotten any iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch passcode and reset your device. Don't worry, lots of people forget their iPhone passcode, and the lightweight, smart and easy to use software helps you to unlock iPhone screen passcode, Apple ID, Screen Time Passcode and MDM lock in minutes. I will drop a link in description. You can check out the tool and it's available for both Windows and macOS. Now I will try to unlock my iPhone 7 passcode with this tool and check if it can unlock without data loss. So click on buy and here you will see different plans with 1 month to lifetime licenses. I will go for 1 month plan. You will land on this order information page. Choose your preferred mode of payment. I will go with PayPal. Fill your information and it's done. As simple as that. I quickly received the keys via email. PassFab iPhone Unlocker will help you unlock screen passcode, bypass Apple ID and MDM without iTunes or iCloud in several minutes. After installing and running the soft, here on main screen, let's begin to learn how to use it. You will see 3 key features from the main interface. To get started, choose and click on Unlock Lock Screen Passcode from it. Then continue to next step. You will see the Start button in the interface. Now you will need to connect your iPhone or iPad to computer that is running PassFab iPhone Unlocker and click Start button. Choose the file save path and click Download button to download firmware package. If you fail to download firmware, just click Copy button to download it through the web browser. If you have downloaded the firmware on your computer, just click Select button to get access on another interface and import it. After downloading the firmware, now it's time to click on Start Unlock button to remove the passcode. Now you can open your device without passcode and set up new passcode or Touch ID, Face ID for it. At this point, you will need to set up your iPhone from scratch unless you have a backup. If you did not have a backup, you probably would not be able to using recovery mode anyway. You essentially have a new iPhone on your hands and you can set it up as you like. PassFab iPhone Unlocker is a professional software provider focusing on the different issues that people encountered on iOS, Android, Windows and Mac platforms. Hope you found this video useful. I will drop a link in description. Do check out, you might be needed. I see you in the next one.